Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for April 2nd, 2014. It's currently 6:54 a.m. and we have increasing clouds throughout the region and a threat for rainfall for later on this afternoon. Temperatures are rising through the upper 30s and lower 40s throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, and they will peak out in the upper 50s to lower 60s throughout much of the region, lower to mid 50s along the south shore of Long Island and along the immediate coast of New Jersey. Overall, though, we're going to have a rather nice day, although we will be dodging a few showers this afternoon. Not a washout, but certainly some of those showers will be capable of some heavy downpours. On the latest surface map, we have a very weak cold front approaching the region. You could barely make it out right about here. And this cold front is not very strong, but it will set up the period and the environment, should I say, for constant threat for showers all the way on through Saturday. And some of those showers, again, will be capable of heavy downpours. Now, not a washout. It's not going to be a type of scenario where it wipes out your weekend, but it will keep conditions unsettled, and it will mean that you're going to keep your umbrella at hand throughout this entire forecast period. And believe me, there's even more rainfall on the way for next week. A very unsettled wet pattern on the way for sure. On the latest radar, you can see the first wave of that rainfall approaching the region. Now, it looks pretty heavy here, but as it's approaching the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, I do expect this area of rainfall to weaken. There will be a few embedded thunderstorms in these showers, in these waves of showers, but overall, what we can expect is variable cloud cover. Most locations remain dry, and then every so often you get some of these showers with a brief heavy downpour, and then they leave. Again, not a washout, but more of a nuisance for tonight, for this afternoon, tonight, tomorrow, Friday, and again on Saturday, and then we see a break on Sunday. On the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see that cold front approaching the region. Again, not really all that impressive. Here's your first wave of precipitation of lifting, and then this warm front is going to be lifting north and producing a severe weather event over the southern plains and Mississippi River Valley. And I think that's going to rob us of a lot of precipitation for this evening on through tomorrow morning. And then we'll see another wave of showers move through for tomorrow afternoon and again on Friday. And then this low pressure system will intensify, lift up into the Great Lakes, and produce another wave of rainfall for Saturday before we clear out on Sunday with some rather tranquil and comfortable weather conditions on Sunday afternoon and Monday, and then more rainfall again on Monday night through Wednesday. Now, when you take a look at the weather vapor satellite picture, we're clearly dealing with a very active weather pattern. Here's our subtropical jet stream filling the weather pattern with plenty of moisture, and here's our polar jet stream sending disturbance after disturbance after disturbance after disturbance through the northern mid-Atlantic and really through much of the United States. So again, we're dealing with a very active spring weather pattern, and this is going to continue on for some time. So definitely plenty of rainfall on the way, unsettled weather conditions, but temperatures on average are going to be, well, near average. So overall, I mean, it's unsettled, but at least we're not dealing with the 30s anymore. Upper 50s to mid 60s. Pretty much near normal for this time of year, and quite frankly, we could use the rain after a rather dry, for the most part, month of March. Here is the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website. We're going to use the GFS model guidance for today. Again, the models are pretty much in agreement, and really strong agreement, all the way on through the next 7 days, which is rather unusual for this time of year, but hey, we'll take it, right? So again, for today, look for, here's that first wave of showers here. That'll move through this afternoon. Again, not a washout, but some of those heavy downpours will impact some locations, and they will be capable of reducing visibility below 2 miles at some point, and also produce localized urban flooding. So use some caution with some of these heavy downpours. There's a good chance you might not see anything at all, but we'll keep an eye on it as it evolves through the day. Temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s for highs, lower to mid 50s along the immediate coast for tonight. Again, a few isolated showers, but not a washout in any way, shape, or form. Temperatures falling into the lower to mid 40s for lows. For tomorrow, again, another round of showers will be possible, more isolated in nature until the evening hours as another disturbance approaches the region. Can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm as well. Temperatures tomorrow in the mid to upper 50s for highs, possibly a few lower 60s over southern New Jersey. For Friday, should I say, another round of showers will move through, again with the capability of some heavy downpours. Temperatures on Friday, now with more of an easterly wind, will be a bit cooler, so lower to mid 40s for lows and mid 50s for highs for most locations. Lower 50s along the immediate coast, especially around Long Island and along the New Jersey coast. Overall, a rather raw day is expected on Friday. On Saturday, that cold front will move through with periods of heavy rainfall possible. Could be a few isolated thunderstorms, but notice where all the lifting is focused, more towards the eastern Great Lakes and St. Lawrence River Valley, which basically tells me that what we can expect is the best dynamics to be to the north of the region. So I think a lot of these showers will be limited in their strength. And the good news is that the faster this cold front moves through, the faster it will clear out on Saturday afternoon. So for Saturday, look for temperatures in the mid to upper 40s for lows, lower to mid 60s for highs. Along the immediate coast, upper 50s to lower 60s. A very nice afternoon could be setting up on Saturday if this cold front moves through fast enough and we get a nice westerly wind off of the Appalachian Mountains. On Sunday, look for high pressure to take control with scattered cloud cover and temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for lows, upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. On Monday, increasing clouds throughout the day as an area low pressure develops over the southeast. Now notice this trough here will be rapidly deepening, but the focus will be over the interior. So this low pressure track tracks over eastern Pennsylvania Monday night into Tuesday with periods of moderate to heavy rainfall. And this rainfall could lead to widespread flash flooding over many of the rivers with rainfall amounts over an inch. Temperatures on Monday and Tuesday will range from the lower to mid 40s for lows and upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. So pretty much again near normal for this time of year. Well, that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. And as always, stay safe out there.